Hello everyone and welcome back to At Home Science. Today we're going to talk about sound! Super easy. All you need is a can. Make a hole in the bottom, take a shoelace and string it through, and tie a knot on the other end. Wet your fingers and pull down on the string. Depending on the size of your can, you get different sounds. You can experiment with your type of can and type of string. This experiment is showing the amplification of the sound waves as they go through the can. To start, you need a plastic straw and a pair of scissors. What we're going to do is we're going to flatten the end of the straw, and you're going to cut a triangle into the end of the straw. You just need 2 cuts. And you're going to flatten it really well. And that's about it. Put the cut part in your mouth and blow. You'll have to play with the angle of the straw for it to vibrate properly. You can use different lengths of straws to get different notes. You can try different lengths, different widths of straws, and see what notes you get. Try not to annoy your parents too much. For our next experiment, we are going to make a popsicle stick harmonica. What we need for this is 2 popsicle sticks, 2 elastics, 1 or 2 toothpicks, wax paper, and a pair of scissors. To start out, cut a piece of wax paper to about the same size and width as your popsicle stick. Then we're going to sandwich our wax paper between the 2 popsicle sticks, and we're going to elastic them together on one end. Next, we're going to take our toothpick, we're going to put it in between our popsicle sticks to create a space and break it off, and elastic those ends together. Take the rest of our toothpick, put it into the other side, break it off again. Have our harmonica made of 2 popsicle sticks with wax paper in the middle with some space created by our toothpicks. It doesn't really matter if your toothpicks are below or above your wax paper. What we're doing is creating space for your wax paper to vibrate. To play your harmonica, just blow. If you have small toothpicks, you can make a harmonica too, but we'll play a different note. At Home Science.